finally bought it out. I have bought the Mighty Aprilia RS 457. Oof, finally, it's mine. You know what? This is my bike. Okay, so my cap is on. The first crank already, the second crank actually. Whew. Be a racer. Okay, let me just Sabiri. Did it. Where was the first crank? I'm going to 20 high. Yeah, I finally bought it out, man. Oh my god, what an experience. And the foot pegs are set so high, actually very comfortable. It's high, it's in the correct position. I am feeling very comfortable. Oh, it's not actually bad, yeah. Oh, it's not bad at all, man. This is a different feeling here. You see the mirrors are a bit hung out. I have to get a bit used to it, but my god, yeah. Whew, what a feeling. Beautiful. Ki dhuniya laise. Damn. Oh, that kid is giving the looks. Oh man, letera rasta prothom dinai. I've taken my delivery from Chanmari in Guwahati. So that is the only showroom you can pick this bike in Assam, in whole of Assam. And one more showroom I think is there in Shillong, Meghalaya. I have bought it out in cash, and I have actually done a BH registration since I was eligible, and totally I had to pay around 4.57 lakhs. That's the on-road price for this bike for me in Guwahati, Assam. The horn might... the horn sucks here. Damn, this is not the horn that would suit this bike. The traffic is horrible because this entire flyover is being constructed in this area. I think I'm looking really great on this motorcycle. People are giving me stares. So the dealer has given me 3 liters of petrol, and it is showing 60 kilometers of range, and I have to get it refilled as soon as possible. I shall find how hot the bike gets in this kind of a traffic, but right now I don't feel anything. I don't feel a little bit of warmth even on my legs or any part of the body. As you can see, it's a bit rough, but it's very comfortable. No issues. And I think I'm already adapting fairly well with the posture of the bike and the sound here. Oh. And the bike is out in the practical real world to face all these obstacles. But I'm finding it really suitable, really easy. So 7 years, I've been riding the Domina for 7 years, and what an upgrade. I think it's the best upgrade that I could have done in the 5 lakh rupee mark. 23 degrees the outside temperature, but okay, 101 degrees Celsius it is showing here, and 14.2 volts it's showing for the battery. So it's perfectly fine. Range just dropped to 55 kilometer. That means I'm getting a very bad mileage because I am riding in such a traffic. Do I feel any pain on my wrist, on my palm? Yeah, obviously a bit, mostly because I'm riding in the traffic now. I have to put a bit of pressure more on the palm area, so it's a little relaxed position. Now see, I have just lifted the pressure off my palm. This is the posture that I'll be riding most often. That means no problem to my wrist, palm or my shoulder. Maybe we shall find out when we return to home, to the base, day after tomorrow. And tomorrow also I'm going on a bit of ride towards Meghalaya. We shall find out. Oh, what a moment, yeah. My first bike that I bought myself. and that is the Aprilia RS 457. What a moment. Definitely a looker, yeah, on the street. It's definitely something that catches the eye. People will notice. Sala prothom kini enukwa rastat enukwa cholabologia hoise. Oh, and that's the Aprilia showroom, Far East Auto. From where I have taken the delivery. Here pa ama onward journey aji towards Meghalaya. There is a Ganesh Mandir in Jorabad, so tate bike khonor puja korai lom. Although this bike is very powerful, lot of videos of this bike making top speeds of 200 and all, but it's a break-in period hai, so I'll be riding it very gently, ekdam aram se, like a baby. When the first servicing is done, explore the true potential of this bike. Brakes, they are fine, I think, but I'll be able to tell more promptly about the braking when I'll be riding more. So today is very soon to actually help me understand. Now, initial bite and everything, I am finding no problem. And the suspension and the seating posture, yeah, everything is good, yeah, very nice. Finally to a petrol pump. This baby is thirsty, yaar. महंगा है थोड़ा, 5 लाख। हाँ, बेनेली का जो मैं देखा था ना। अच्छा, बेनेली का, हाँ, बेनेली का जो है ना, हाँ, 7 लाख 8 लाख से 7-8 लाख। ये भी गाड़ी अच्छा है, अप्रिला का। सिटी में इतना अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी ये इतना भी वो नहीं है, चला सकते इसको, ज़्यादा दर्द वगैरह नहीं हो रहा है। 260 दिखा रहा है रेंज। चलिए भैया, to Meghalaya. Time is almost 3:45 and we had our lunch. We did the puja, as you can see, the garland looking very nice. I hope the camera angle is okay. So the initial impressions of riding inside busy traffic and in some loose and off-roady kind of bits is done. I'm pretty happy how the bike responded to those kind of situation. No problem at all, no problem. If you ask me about the hitting of the bike, I didn't feel as such hit on my legs or my thighs. Not going to push it much, but the way this bike feels, yeah, so nimble, so agile, and how reactive is the chassis. Mind-blowing chassis, yeah. I haven't felt this kind of a response. It just glides, it just knows where to go, how to go. It just follows your mind. Wow, just look at it. But now, since the tires are also new, every part of this bike is completely new, so I'm not pushing it to its limits. And also I have to get adapted to the bike. I have to earn some confidence, and then maybe I'll try riding a bit hard, but not so much. I'm never gonna, I don't abuse machines, and I'm never gonna do with this baby. This baby is going to get a lot of pampering. My first bike, bought from my own source of income, from my own income, so this is a special heart in my life, yeah, special place in my heart. Sorry, the sound of the exhaust is something, yeah. I'm really enjoying the sound of the exhaust, but obviously now I'm not going past, say, 4000 rpm. Everything is below 5000 rpm, so obviously that roar is something that I'm missing now. But the grumble at low revs is what I'm enjoying for the moment. Beautiful. And this bike is equipped with ride-by-wire, so the response from the throttle is just spot on. Riding it slow and with ease. I let the engine break in, take its own time, you know, so that it keeps on running and running for thousands and thousands and lakhs of kilometers without any hiccups. That's the goal. there's a kind of danger. I'm shifting too early. This bike has a lot of room in the mid and in the top. It can go on and on, but I have to keep myself content for the next 900 kilometers. The maximum speed 83 km per hour, and the mileage that I've been getting now is 27.4 km per liter, and I've been riding very gently, gentle on the throttle, just enjoying the road, the chilling breeze across my jacket and my body. And that time when I took my delivery, and then I was riding majority, let's say 40 kilometers in the town and another 10-12 kilometers here in the highway. So that time I got a mileage of around 16.7. That is considering city riding, and you just saw how busy the traffic was. Considering that, plus it's just a new bike from the showroom, I think it's okay. Now I'm getting very good mileage, 27.6. range is 175 kilometer. Okay. Wow, beautiful. The way this bike inspires you confidence. Control, Priyam, control. Wow. I'm still, not leaning too much, although I want to, and the bike is telling me to, but it's the first day. And it's a milestone in my life. It's a memorable day, 27th December 2024. It's milestone. Wow. To be able to own this machine, I've been only completed 26 years last month, and thank you everyone, thank you God that I've been able to own this machine.